Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We have a winner for the giveaway of the RC Jeep. He has been notified, he knows about it, and congratulations to Mr. Brandon Corwin. Put his name across the screen down here, and I'll leave a link down in the description to his YouTube channel, because I believe I talked to him. He said he's going to do a unboxing video of this RC and all the goodies he's gonna get. So again, Mr. Brandon Corwin, and also if you're watching this and you're on Instagram, check him out on Instagram. His handle, I think, is Vintage Jeep Man. I'll put it across the screen down here, and I'll also see if I can put a link to that down in the description as well. But Brandon, congratulations. You're gonna get the Jeep right here behind me. And again, it comes with batteries and everything, but I would probably recommend you looking into buying the replacement steel motor and the LiPo kit. It's not a bad kit, it's not a bad rig. My kids have them. But it could use a little more oomph with the batteries as far as longevity and a little more power. But I mean, right out of the box, it's not terrible. I don't want to say that. It's a great little rig, and it's very cool. For a few bucks, you can get the LiPo kit, and it's gonna run a lot better. But you'll get the RC Jeep, you'll get the decals, you'll get the cup. I'm sorry, it's a tumbler, and some other decals here that I'll throw in as well. So Mr. Brandon won with this comment right here. As you can see across the screen, I put it across there, what he commented. And I believe a lot of you guys really favor the CJ5 over there. I know the 3B is fairly new to the channel, but I started it all with the CJ5 right over here. Look how dusty that daggone thing is. Look at that. Jeez, I need to get that thing out and wash it. But in the barn here, it gets a little dusty and dirty pretty quick. But anyway, I wanted to say thank you all so much for participating in this giveaway and commenting and following the rules. Just want to say thank you so much for subscribing. We are now over 2,100 subscribers, which is unreal. And I'll put a link up in one of these corners here to the junkyard video. I don't know what happened there, to be completely honest with you, but that video is taken off as far as views and engagement and comments and all that stuff. So if you haven't seen it yet, up in one of these two corners, check that video out. My cousin and I went through a local junkyard and saw a bunch of old Jeeps, some wagons, old cars, an old command car, Dodge WC command car. Really cool videos, so check that out. But again, back to this. Thank you so much, Brandon. Look for it in this box right here. It's not gonna be receptacles or anything like that. It'll be the RC Jeep and everything in there. But again, thank you so much to all of you for subscribing. Thank you so much for entering the giveaway. And we're gonna do it again. I don't know when. It might be 2,500, it might be 3,000 subscribers, I don't know. And maybe if you guys are into the RC stuff, maybe we'll look into giving away a Rock Hobby Jeep. I don't know. What do you think about that? Leave a comment down in the description, leave a comment down below and let me know if that's something you're into or other thoughts as well. But thank you again so much. Brandon, thank you for participating and congratulations for winning. And we'll see you all next time.